Alright, so what you're gonna need for this video is a Phillips and flathead screwdriver. Let's get straight into it. See this, when you turn it, it's loose and cracked, so we're gonna replace this one. Well, both. Make sure you get one that fits your faucet. So you wanna use the flathead, pop off the top. This one is easy because it was already popped off pretty much. And so now you want to get your Phillips screwdriver so you can take the screw out. Well, when you do it, it's gonna probably turn the water on and off. You gotta make sure you hold the knob. So when you take it off, it just come right off. And now you want to get your new one and put the new one on. There's a little trick to it, honestly. There's a side that's kind of flat, and on the faucet there's a flat side. Those two sides will connect. And so I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of satisfying seeing the new one compared to the old one. It's kind of crazy. But oh yeah, when you tighten it, make sure you don't over tighten it. You'll feel when it's just like tight enough, and you'll know pretty much when to stop. And so after that, you want to put the cap on. Now this is what I'm talking about. That side is flat, it's not round like the other sides, and then on the knob it's flat as well. And so on the knob and on the faucet, you want to connect those two sides, and so it'll just slide right on. That easy. Use your Phillips screwdriver to screw it in your knob. Now you want to put your cap on, throw away your parts. Now I put the cap on backwards, so now I'm putting it on. Should have gone pretty easy, but boom, now you know how to repair your bathroom faucet knobs just like that.